actually was. So I backed it out. Now, if I run it where it says to mow, you know, put the throttle up where it says to mow, that sucker will use gasoline. It's, I think it's 22.5 motor.
Wow.
And I backed it out, stuck it up there and started around that hill. And of course it was going slow, but that didn't matter. Of course, some of the grass right here on this corner was about that high. And then farther over this way and up that way you got, what shorter it was, you know. Well, I mowed that hill, come down here and got off of it. Thought, well, I'll mow the rest of it, you know. And pushed down on it, wouldn't get down. Here, I mowed that whole cotton picking hill in idle.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah.
Well, you saved gas.
Mowed that whole hill in idle.
Huh.
But that's a powerful son of a gun. But it's 50 inches.
Wow. It's a big one.